Hi everyone, welcome to
amazing channel of Brilliant Katha.
When you're rubbing one body with another body, electrons are transferred from one object to what? Another object. Okay, this process, this type of electricity is been given a name.
halogen connected carbon sp3, then it's connected to benzene. See all of you, halogen connected. What is this carbon hybridization? Full single bond sp3, see then a benzene ring.
Denominator poles shouldn't be included in the denominator poles. That means the denominator, these -1 and -5 should never be included in the solution.
Homocircle caudal fin. It's giving two equal lobes. But in case of cartilage fishes, look at here, one big lobe is there, one small lobe is there. You cannot cut into two equal half this fin.
Brilliant Katha.
Hi dear students, welcome to the live DPB session of this JEE discussion. Today we are going to discuss from the chapter chemistry, that is haloalkanes and haloarine. Hope you all are seriously preparing for your upcoming JEE examination. Wish you all the very best and keep doing hard work on it. And the haloalkane and haloarine chapter, dear all, it's one of the easiest chapter we can expect. Very simple question. You may have seen in that the previous JEE examination what all simple type of NCERT question they were asked from haloalkane chapter. Okay, so don't treat even it's a simple compound. If it is a simple reaction also, please don't judge it whether it is very hard one, whether it is weak one, like that. So every reactions and every concept is very important. Okay, so let's go for the chemistry discussion part. Question number, okay, the first question, a very simple reaction, that is CH3Br. You know, CH3Br is the compound methyl bromide, right? CH3Br. CH3Br when react with KCN, you know that, and it is alcoholic KCN. Okay, it's alcoholic KCN. And you know, CH3Br when react with the KCN, you know, this is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. So what happened? You will get CH3CN, right? You will get CH3CN, methyl cyanide or ethane nitrile. This on reaction with the second step, they are reduction with what? Sodium and ethanol. Sodium and ethanol. You know that cyanide on reduction, we get amines, right? Primary amine, you will get CH3, CH2, NH2, that is nothing but ethyl amine is the answer. C2H5 NH2 is the answer. So what are the reactions here? Haloalkane undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction with the KCN, we get methyl cyanide, and react with the or reduction. You know, dear all, cyanide on reduction we get primary amine, and isocyanide on reduction we get secondary amine. Don't forget that one. Okay, so if it is CH3NC, what on reduction we get? Then we will get CH3NHCH3. See dear all, it's a secondary amine. Okay, don't forget. So here answer is which one? C is the correct answer, right? Okay, Shiny, Abu, Anna, right, correct. Next question, which responds to the iodoform test? Yes, we know that iodoform test is given by aldehydes, ketones, right? Iodoform test is given by aldehydes or ketone which contain the group CH3CO group, or it can be given by alcohol which contain CH3CHOH group, right? So here a simple question you can able to answer that. What is the answer for this question, my dear? which responds, which will give iodoform test? Yes, can you give a correct answer? Very good. That's option C, butanon. Yes, butan 2-on, butan 2-on, which contain that particular group which is giving the iodoform test, the yellow colored CHI3, right? Yes, compound C is the butanon. The other compound doesn't contain that particular group. So iodoform related question here all from alcohol chapter, even this aldehyde ketone chapter we can expect. Next one, chloralase. We studied in haloalkane chapter, last one area called polyhalogen compound, where we studied about what is mean by chloral. Chloral, what is chloral chemical formula? That is CHO. There is an aldehyde, and CCl3. CCl3CHO is called trichloro. This is also called what? Trichloroethanol. Trichloroethanol, and it contains both aldehyde and chloride. Therefore, it is called what? Chloral, and it is used. Hope you remember where it is used. Where it is used. It is used in the preparations of. Can you come in? This chloral is used in the preparation of what? Chloral is a chemical which is used in the preparation of one compound. What is that? DDT. DDT. You know DDT? DDT is prepared by the combination of chlorobenzene and chloral. That's what is DDT? Dichloro, diphenyl, trichloroethane. Yes, very good, very good. Okay, yes Abu, that's a preparation of which one? DDT. So answer is which one? This one, CCl3CHO is called what? Chloral. Next question, decomposition of benzene. Very simple reaction. Simple reaction. Even these type of questions are repeating or asking for your JEE exam, my dear. This is just like your CBSE board type of questions, but same type of question we are expecting. Decomposition of benzene diazonium chloride by Cu2Cl2 along with HCl to form chlorobenzene is known as which one? Which one? That is our Sand-Meyers reaction, right? Sand-Meyers reaction. I think Cannizzaro reaction is familiar to you. Cannizzaro reaction, aldehyde chapter. Kolb's reaction, yes, phenol to salicylic acid. What is Raschig's reaction? Raschig's reaction is conversion of benzene to chlorobenzene. Conversion of benzene to chlorobenzene by treating with HCl and oxygen and in presence of CuCl2 at 500 Kelvin. Chlorobenzene and water get formed. Conversion of benzene to chlorobenzene by treating with HCl and oxygen in presence of the catalyst CuCl2 at 500 Kelvin called Raschig's reaction. It's nothing but here we have Sand-Meyers reaction. Don't forget. Next one, aniline. You know what is aniline on bromine water? Dear all, aniline on bromine water, Br2 and OH minus, bromination. Aniline is a very strong ortho-para directing group. On strong bromination, what we get? We get NH2 and then Br. You will get 2,4,6 tribromo aniline. This on diazotization, what happened to NH2? NH2 become N2 plus Cl minus Br remains there, and it's on treated with HbF4 and heat. HbF4 and heat, you know what is the purpose of HbF4? Later on heat, the N2Cl becomes fluorine. Yes, we get fluorine, bromo. 2, 4, 6 tribromo fluorobenzene we can produce. That's nothing but, I think it's option A is already your answer, right Hannah? Abu? Yes. So first one, bromination, strong bromination, then diazotization, then HbF4 will give you compound A as an answer. Next one, CH3Br. You know CH3Br is a haloalkane reacting with the nucleophile OH minus, giving CH3OH and Br minus. Suppose it follow SN2 mechanism, what is the rate depends on what? Come on, the rate depends on what? You know that. You know that in SN1 mechanism, rate only depends on Rx, the haloalkane. Therefore, it is called unimolecular. Whereas in SN2 mechanism, rate depends on both haloalkane and nucleophile. Therefore, it is called a bimolecular. So in SN2 mechanism, their rate depends rate depends both of the haloalkane and nucleophile here. That's option A is the correct answer. Yes, of course. Okay, SN2 mechanism mean both haloalkane and the nucleophile concentration is important. That depends the rate. Whereas in if SN1 mechanism, if they asking you where haloalkane is the only factor, we consider the rate. Okay. Next one, if chloroform is left open in air in presence of sunlight, you know that simple reaction, chloroform is CHCl3. When the bottle of chloroform is open, it react with oxygen in presence of light, and what it form? It forms COCl2 along with HCl. What is COCl2 is called? The poisonous gas called phosgene. Phosgene. Dear all, phosgene we can write it as COCl2 like this. Therefore, phosgene is also called what? Carbonyl chloride. Carbonyl chloride. Okay, carbonyl chloride. It's another question. Phosgene is also known as what? Carbonyl chloride also we can suggest it. Okay, don't worry about that. So that's a chloroform case, they mostly connect with which one? Phosgene. Phosgene, what is another name? Don't forget, my dear, carbonyl chloride is the another name. So when chloroform bottle is open, what happened? Poisonous phosgene gas get generated. Next question for you. In SN1 reaction, the first step involves the formation of what? What is the simple question? In SN1 reaction, the first step involves the formation of what? Come on, all of you, what is the answer? In SN1 mechanism, you know the haloalkane you consider first. R dash, R double dash. You know, in first step, the slow step in SN1 mechanism is what? First step, removal of halogen and formation of what? Carbocation, right? Carbocation. First step in SN1 mechanism is what? Removal of halogen and making of carbocation. So which is the compound? Carbocation is the formation. Yes, that is option C is the correct answer. Then the reaction RCl with the NaI and acetone. Nothing to explain here. Direct question. NaCl, right? NaCl when react with or NaI when react in dry acetone, we get alkyl iodide. It is a halogen displacement reaction. What it is called? That's our Finkelstein reaction. Yes, Finkelstein. But be very careful about the terms. We may think Finkelstein, the first letter is F, but there is another Franklin reaction, not that. Only Finkelstein reaction. And you know that this is by iodine. With the fluorine, we have one more displacement reaction that is called what? Schwarz reaction also. That don't forget. And we have the last question. In the following sequence of reaction, the CH3, CH2, CH2I, what is that? Propyl iodide. This propyl iodide, when treated with alcoholic KOH, very careful about the alcoholic or aqueous. Alcoholic KOH means, you know, beta elimination. Beta elimination means halogen go from alpha, hydrogen go from beta, make a double bond in between alpha beta. We get the compound propene. To propene, second step, they are adding Br2. We know unsaturated compound when react with the bromine water, what happen? You will get vicinal dihalide. So place this bromine, one on this carbon, one on this carbon. You will get CH3, CH, Br, then CH2, Br. What is this? Vicinal dihalide. What is the last step? You know, NaNH2, NaNH2 and ammonia sodamide. If you use sodamide, what happened? If you use sodamide, what happened? Both of the halogens leave and they will get a triple bond here. That means almost you can 2 times you can do beta elimination. So once you get double bond, one more bromine goes. If you get a then you will get a triple bond. So this is the compound going to form what it is? What it is? Propyne. What is propyne? Propyne means it's a alkyne is the product. See dear all? Yes, Anna, right. So first reaction once again, this alkyl iodide on beta elimination, we are getting what? The alkene, and alkene on unsaturated compound when react with the bromine water, you will get vicinal dihalide and sodamide. If you are using 2 times, we can do the beta elimination, we can get the alkyne as the final product. So all of you, haloalkane chapter, thoroughly prepare it. It's an easy chapter, and NCERT textbook, all questions you have to be practiced first. Then regarding beta elimination and all, don't forget to apply the Zaitsev rule. That's an expected area for the examination. I think the chapter, these questions are clear, everyone. Let's go for, I think, physics session. Okay, let's start from the physics session. Yes, physics questions are waiting for you. Sir, shall we start the physics session? Yes, question number 1 is waiting for you. All of you, try it. All the best, all.
Hi, hello dears, how are you? Hope all of you are doing a best time with your JEE Crash course. So actually here and there it was busy. We are doing the physics session now. Okay. Today, hi Hannah, everyone is there. Yeah, Abu is there, Hannah is there, Shiny is there. Yeah, great. So we're doing physics with you, not wasting the time. All of you are in the last time of your preparation. Okay. Hope all the modules you have done very well with today's current electricity we are going to do. Okay. Let's start here the question first. Question number 1. A 1 meter long wire is broken into 2 unequal parts, X and Y. So we have 1 meter long wire is there. So 1 meter long wire. That is just part, 1 X part and 1 Y part. Okay. The X part of the wire is stretched into another wire W. So here, if it's have a length X, then it have a length 1 minus X. Is it? Y part have 1 minus X length. Then again, this X part you stretch into another part W is given. Suppose this is W. Length of W is twice the length of X, and the resistance of W is twice that of Y. See, just basic idea only. For logic terms, link is given there. So length of W, LW is 2 times L of X. So we can say length of X is X, you take it. So it will be X, you can take 2X, you can say. And resistance of W, RW, that is equal to given twice that of Y. So that is 2 times RY is there. Fine. You have to find the ratio of length of X and Y, you have to find out. So the ratio we have X and 1 minus X. So you have to find actually the X by 1 minus X what? That you have to find out. Is it? Yes, fine. See, one idea is given there. Resistance of W is equal to 2 times resistance of Y, and all are same material only. Is it? If they are same material, we have resistivity same. So substitute the equation of resistance in terms of resistivity. That's fine. So if you do it, resistance of W will be rho into resistance R equal to, basic equation now is equal to rho into L by A. We have the equation. So rho into length of W, that is what, 2X is there, by area of cross section of W. See, W actually formed by stretching the X to twice the length. Is it? So its area of cross section will become A by 2 there. Is it? Is equal to 2 into RY. 2 into RY is resistance same only. Length of Y is how much? 1 minus X we have. and it have area of cross section A itself, normal area of cross section. See, we got the answer. So here, rearrange it, R cancels. He'll become 2 and 2 cancels. This 2 goes up, A cancels. So it will be 2 into X is equal to, 2 goes up, 2 into X is equal to 1 minus X. Is it? So we have to find X by 1 minus X. So it will be answer 1:2. Clear now? Yes, fine. Yeah, great. Many of good. Ashmita, yes, got it. 2:1 or 1:2. Yes, great. Anna got the answer. Correct. Ashmita got the answer. Yes. Okay. So 1:2 answer. Clear. Basic concept. Just link it together. Let's go for the next question. A wire of resistance R1 is drawn out so that its length is increased by twice of its original length. See, there is a logic keyword there. It's drawn out so that length is increased by twice of its original length. There's a logic word there. Normally, a wire is drawn to increase the length by twice. So here, original length is there, then twice also it's increased. So new length will be 3 times the original length. After drawing it, original plus 2 times. Fine. So if a length is drawn to the increase the length, you know, area of cross section will be changing. So A dash will be A by 3. As the volume of the wire will be constant, no other material is added, so volume will be constant, A by 3. The ratio of new resistance to original resistance is, okay, so here 3 times is increased. You know one logic, R dash will be, if you stretch a wire to increase the length by n times, then new resistance will be n square times the original one. N square times the original one. So in this concept, if you substitute, here will be new resistance will be, n is there 3 times, so 3 square is 9R. So R dash by R. Ratio of new resistance to original is asking, R dash by R. So R dash by R is equal to 9:1. Option A is the correct answer. Okay? Hannah, got it. Ashmita, fine. Abu, are you there? Yes. Clear? So 9:1 is the correct answer. Okay. Is that clear, Ashmita? Yes, good. Let's move to the next question. What will be the most suitable combination of 3 resistors? A is given 2 ohm and B is given 4 ohm and C is given 6 ohm. So that 22 by 3 ohm is equivalent resistance of combination. Direct question only, it's a previous year paper only. Okay, this all courses we opted from the previous JEE papers. So they all are significant, meaning is there. So 4 different options are given, just you have to substitute, that's only concept is there. Parallel combination of A and C connected in series with RB. You know parallel combination RP is equal to R1 into R2 by R1 plus R2 equation. Shortcut you can use it because different values 2, 4, 6 are the values there. Then parallel combination of A and B connected in series with the C. Series combination of A and C connected in parallel with the B. Then series combination of B and C connected in parallel with A. So each combination you have to try with. Okay. See, first option, let's try the first option. A and C connected in parallel. So A and C is there. So first option, if you connected A and C in parallel means A and C is there. So 2 into 6 by 2 plus 6. Parallel. In series with the B, B is 4 ohm. So 2 into 6 by 2 plus 6 is there. So 2 plus 6, 8 is there. If you cancel it will be 4 and it will be 3 by 2 plus 4, that is 8 plus 3, that is 11 by 2 only. No, A is not the answer. Then check B, parallel combination of A and B connected in series with C. A and B is there. So for B it will be option B. It will be 2 into 4 by 2 plus 4 plus series with the C is there, 6 ohm is there. So 2 into 4 by 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4 is 6, cancels 3, 4 by 3, 6, 3 into 6, 18 plus 4, 22, 22 by 3. Yeah, so option B is the correct answer. We need 22 by 3 as the resultant. Yes, direct substitution only, B is the correct answer. Yes, Hannah, great, good, good. Okay, fine. Let's go to the next question, fourth question. A battery of 6 volt is connected to the circuit as shown below. The circuit, the current I drawn from the battery is how much? A simple circuit it is. Previous year question only, 2 times it's repeated. 3 ohm, 6 ohm is there, 5 ohm, 3 and 6 is there. You know Wheatstone's bridge. It's a wisdom bridge, is it? 3 by 6 is equal to 3 by 6. So there is no current through 5 ampere. No current through 5 ampere. So 3 and 3 in series, 6 and 6 in parallel. Then 1 2 ohm is there in series. Net current I you have to find out. So net resistance will be, R equivalent will be 3 plus 3 6 is there. 6 plus 6 12. That's 6 and 12 in parallel. So 6 into 12 by 6 plus 12 plus 1 2 ohm is also there. So this will become as 6 plus 12. Okay, this is 18 you have. Then if you cancel it, 3 4 is 4 plus 2 6 ohm is there. So I equivalent 6 ohm. Then voltage V is equal to 6 volt. So current I is equal to V by R. That is 6 by 6, that is 1 ampere. Option is yes, correct. First option is there. 1 ampere is the correct answer. Okay, yes, correct. All of you got it. So it's a Wheatstone's bridge combination. Check the ratio of the teams, then make it 5 ohm. No, you can neglect. 3 plus 3 6 ohm is there. 6 plus 6 12 ohm is there. Wheatstone's bridge concept. Okay, hope you got it. Yes, let's go to the next question. The H amount of thermal energy is developed by a resistor in 10 seconds when a current of 4 ampere is passed through it. If the current is increased to 16 ampere, so current is increased, the thermal energy developed by the resistor in 10 seconds will be. So time is same only, but current is increased. You know, equation for thermal energy, we have H is equal to I square RT, Joule's law of heating, is it? So here we can say H is proportional to I square. How much is there? 4 square is there. In the first case it is 4 ampere, then it become how much? 16 ampere is there. So H dash is proportional to 16 square and H is proportional to 4 square. You have to find the new in terms of H. So if you do division, H dash by H will be 16 square by 4 square is there. So 4 square is 16, you know, that is equal to 16. So H dash will be 16 times H. Option 2 is the correct answer. Is it? Yeah. Shani got it? Ashmita, is that clear now? Hannah, fine. So it is 16H. Clear? Yes, good. Okay. We'll go to the next question then. The number of turns of the coil of a moving coil galvanometer is increased in order to increase the current sensitivity by 50%. You know current sensitivity equation, phi by I is equal to NAB by K. Then the percentage change in voltage sensitivity of the galvanometer will be. Voltage sensitivity, we have the equation phi by V is equal to NAB by K times R. Actually it's a mixed combination with the moving coil galvanometer also. The question. So here, number of turns increases. You might study it. In voltage sensitivity, if you increase the number of turns, the resistance of the wire also will increase. Hence, there is no change in voltage sensitivity. As a logic here. So, but current sensitivity will be increased. If number of turns increases, current sensitivity increases, but there is no change in voltage sensitivity. What is the answer? 10% is here. So, percentage increase in voltage sensitivity asking. There is no change. Answer is 4. 0% is answer. Clear? If number of turns increase, resistance also increases. So 0% is answer. Yes, yes, correct. Yes, fine. Great. Okay. Next question. The charge flowing in a conductor change with the time as Q is equal to alpha T minus beta T square plus gamma T cube, where alpha, beta, gamma are constants. Minimum value of current is. Okay, just 1 degree level higher only, not that much. So you know Q is given, then minimum value of current you have to find out. Q is given, then I we know that is dQ by dt. That is current. You have to find I. Then to check minimum value of current, the rate of change of current should be 0. That is if di by dt is equal to 0. So it's I is a variable with the time, is it? If it is I constant, then that is the minimum value. So di by dt should be 0. Then there you find t how much. That if you substitute, then you get current. Okay, let's do. So here I is dq by dt. So if you differentiate it, it will become alpha t by dt minus 2 beta t plus gamma t cube, if you differentiate the time, then will be 3 gamma into t square. That is I. Now equate di by dt to 0. So if you do here di by dt will become di by dt again. You differentiate I again. So it will become alpha is a constant. Go on. Minus 2 beta, negative 2 beta, plus 2 into 3, 6 gamma t. That's equal to 0. So if we equate this, it will become t is equal to, so 6 gamma t is equal to 2 beta. So that gives t is equal to 2 beta by 6 gamma. That is 2 and 6 you cancel, beta by 3 gamma. So minimum value of current will be at t is equal to beta by 3 gamma. Now this time if you substitute in I, you will get the answer. Okay, following now, clear? So check it, if you substitute here in this equation, so I will be equal to, for this t you substitute this value, beta by 3 gamma. So it will be alpha minus 2 beta into, t is how much? Beta by 3 gamma. So beta by 3 gamma plus 3 gamma into t square is there, so square it, b square by 3 gamma square. If you do it, it will be alpha minus 2 beta into beta by 3 gamma is there. Okay, so 1 beta, so 2 beta square by 3 gamma here, plus 1 3 gamma, and 3 gamma square is in denominator, you can cancel it. Remaining will be beta square by 3 gamma. 3 gamma into 3 gamma, 1 3 gamma cancels. So here minus 2 beta square by 3 gamma plus beta square 3 gamma. If you cancel, it will be alpha minus beta square by 3 gamma. That is the value, minimum value of I. Alpha minus beta square by 3 gamma, option is 4, correct answer. Okay, for a value to be minimum value, it should be constant if it's a variable time. So di by dt is equal to 0. Differential equations you may have studied, application of derivatives.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. The mathematics is good. Okay, yeah. It's clear, Shani? Okay. Okay, is there? Ashwin sir. Got it. Yes, great. So di by dt, you have to equate to 0, then you'll get either. Okay, good.
Okay, sir.
So next question I'm going to. The equivalent resistance between A and B of the network shown in figure. You are very familiar about this question. Like this network is given. You can say directly here 1, 2, 3, 4 points are there. This will be a Wheatstone's bridge. Yes or no? Point 1 we have. From point 1 we have 2 resistances. One as R and another is of 2R. Then between 2 and 3, so one point is there 2. Okay, we have another resistance 9R, so it is 9R. It is 2 point. Then there is again 3R is there, and there is 6R is there. R by 2R, 3R by 6R, both are in same ratio, so it's a Wheatstone's bridge. 9R, there is no current pass through it, so equivalent resistance you have to find it. Is it? So here R plus 3R, there are in series, so 4R it is. Then 2R plus 6R, that is 8R, so 4R into 8R by 4R plus 8R. You have to do it. So it will be 4R plus 8R, this equal to, we have 12R, so 1R square is R cancels, 4 and 12 cancels 3, that is 8 by 3R you are getting. So R dash, R equivalent is equal to 8 by 3R. Option will be, yeah, fourth answer is the option. Fourth option, 8 by 3R is there. So this circuit is an equivalent to Wheatstone's bridge. Balanced condition, R by 2R, so P by S is equal to Q by R. You study this one. Is it? Yes, correct. Ashmita, correct one. Let's go to the next question. Question number 9. A uniform metallic wire carries a current 2 ampere when 3.4 battery is connected across it. So potential difference is given there. It is 3.4 volt and current is given 2 ampere. Okay. The mass of uniform metallic wire is 8.92 into 10 raised to minus 3 kilogram. Mass is given. Density is 8.92 into 10 raised to 3 kilogram per meter cube, and resistivity also given 1.7 into 10 raised to minus 8 ohm meter. You have to find length of the wire. Okay, so to get length here, we have resistance equation. You know, R is equal to rho into L by A. So L is equal to R into A by rho. Basic equation. Resistance you have to find. Resistivity is given, resistance and area you have to substitute. Is it? Length will be there. For resistance we have V and I we have. So R is equal to V by I, that is 3.4 by 2. 3.4 by 2 will be how much? 17. So it is 1.7 ampere. Okay. Now that is resistance. Can substitute here. Now A what will be? To get area of cross section, we have mass is given, density is given. You know, the volume of a wire V will be equal to area of cross section into length. So the area of cross section will be volume by length. So for A you can substitute volume by length there. Now how to find volume? We have mass and density. Density is mass by volume. So volume will be, it is equal to, density is mass by volume. So volume will be mass by density. So volume we can have mass by density D into L ampere. That is area. So here L will be equal to R into A is V by L, that is mass by density into length by rho. Okay, you have to find the length of the wire only. So L into L, this is L square. You just take this away. So L square is equal to R into M by density into rho. After getting, you find L. So here R is given 1.7, that is 1.7 into mass is given 8.92 into 10 raised to minus 3 divided by resistivity is given 1.7 into 10 raised to minus 8 into density of the wire is given 8.92 into 10 raised to minus 3. See, each and every terms will get cancelled. So here 1.7 cancels, 8.92 cancels, minus 3 minus 3. So minus 10 raised to minus 8 is there, you take it up. So it will become L square is equal to 10 raised to 8. So L is equal to how much? Square root of this one. So that much will be equal to 10 raised to 4. L is equal to 10 raised to 4. Now see the options. It will be, wait, 1.7 is there, fine. 8.92 into 10 raised to minus 3 is there, kilogram, mass is given, fine. I'm sorry, density is plus 3, okay, not minus 3. So it will be minus 5, plus 3 goes up, minus 3, minus 6 will be there. So I'm sorry, it will be 10 raised to 2 it will be. So minus 8 plus 3 is minus 5, but take it up, plus 5 is there. So root of 10 raised to 2, that is 10 only. So it is 10 square meters. So L is equal to root of 10 square, that is 10. So length of the wire is 10 meters. 2 is the correct answer. Just 1 degree up, that's asked. Density is given, mass given, then to find length actually. So mass and density given, then you link with the volume. And from the volume you have area of cross section into length. From there you can link to L. Resistance and resistivity is given. Okay, that's fine. Yes, Ashmita. Sorry, that's fine. Good. Then next question, let's see. A cell of EMF 90 volt is connected across a series combination of two resistors, each of 100 ohm resistance. Okay, so 200 ohm resistance is there. Okay, it is 100 ohm. It's also 100 ohm. Okay, then a voltmeter of resistance 400 ohm is used. So here it's connected with a cell that is of 90 volt. Okay, and a voltmeter of resistance 400 ohm is used to measure the potential difference across each resistor. So you're connecting a voltmeter here across any one, you can take it. So for example, here you connect first one, and this voltmeter have a resistance, how much? 400 ohm. Then the reading of the voltmeter will be, so what is the voltage across 100 ohm? You have to find out. So current through that, if you get it, you'll get that. So to get the current, net resistance you have to get it. So equivalent resistance R is equal to, R equivalent will be, here see 100 ohm and 400 ohm in parallel. So that is will be 400 into 100 by 400 plus 100, that is 500 plus this 100 ohm is a 100 ohm. So that will be equal to, if we do, so this will be 0 0 cancels, 400 by 5, that is 80, 80 plus, so 180 ohm is there, R equivalent. Now voltage is given 90 volt. So current I is equal to V by R, that is 90 by 180. 90 by 180 means 1 by 2. Okay, so 1 by 2 ampere is, that is 0.5 ampere. Current I got it. Now across this 100 ohm, what is the voltage we had to find out? Is it? So across this way, suppose I, same current pass through both, is it? That is 0.5 ampere. Now across this, what is the total resistance we have? 400 into 100 by 500 is there, so this will be 80, is it? So across this resistance will be total R equivalent here will be 80 ohm, and current I dash is how much? 1 by 2 is there. So this will be voltage V is equal to I into R, you can say. Okay, so I is equal to how much? 1 by 2 ampere into R is how much? 0.80, so that will be 40 volt. Is it? Yes. So will be 1. Correct, Sanya. Okay, great. So these are the questions today I want to discuss with you. All the questions are from past paper questions. Previous years, here and there asked. In some questions are then 2 shifts also they asked. Forenoon and afternoon shifts also. So hope you enjoyed it. Please do well with you. Okay, wish you all the best for the upcoming exams. Please prepare good. See you next time. And your next will be the math session. Please wait. Our teacher is ready for that. Okay, thank you all for watching.
Live chat. Hi friends, good evening all, good evening all, good evening all. Welcome back to our amazing channel of Brilliant Qatar. Hi Vaishnavi, oh God. Good evening friend, good evening. Hello Ashmita, good evening. Good evening all friends, good evening all. Hope you all are doing absolutely great. Hi Hannah. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Good evening guys, good evening. So coming to today's session, friends, in today's session, already in the morning session we had gone with the last topic of differential calculus, that is applications of derivatives. In applications of derivatives we started with rate measure, we have continued monotonic functions, then in that increasing functions, decreasing functions, strictly increasing, strictly decreasing, then we went with last maxima and minima. Hi Ruben Johnny, good evening. Yes, good evening friends. We'll start the session. So coming to the first session guys, I'll just today's session is like, see, I'll tell you the beauty of this thing. If a question from applications of derivatives, it can be solved very easily, man. As I said in the beginning, only if you are thorough with the conceptual clarity. Conceptual clarity is very important in AOD. Have a function to be checking like whether it is increasing or decreasing, how to check whether the given point is a point of maxima or minima, or how to find critical points. If you are aware of these things, conceptual clarity, I mean conceptual clarity. So we can do it, any particular question from AOD can very easily. Coming to first question, if x plus y is equals to 16, x square plus y square will be minimum. When will be x square plus y square will be minimum? Only when x is equals to y. That's it. See, apart from doing problem, x square plus y square will be minimum only when x is equals to y, man. x square plus y square, sum of the squares of two real numbers will be minimum only when they are equal. That means without seeing anything, as x plus y is equals to 16, x is equals to y is equals to 8. Hi Rohit, good evening friend, good evening, waiting for you. Very good Ruben, very good, that's the correct answer. Hey, hi Mr. Nagaraj, good evening man. Hi Shiny, yes it is option D, x is equals to 8 and y is equals to 8. Very good Ashmita friend, very good. Good evening Nagaraj. Now see, x square plus y square is minimum if x is equals to y. That's it, keep this in mind. Okay, going to the next one. Fine Rohit beta, good ma. Next, a function f of x into we actually it is something like lengthy, but we can make it easy. There is nothing in it. Okay, majority of the students what they do, you know, see guys, I'll tell you something. Suppose generally majority of the students will be doing like f of x is equals to x into under root 1 minus x square. X into under root 1 minus x square, x greater than 0. To friends, they are asking us to check whether it has local maxima or local minima or neither of those two. For that, what majority of the students do, directly f of x we have f dash x they find. Very good Nagaraj, very good. They find f dash x, again they will be finding f double dash x. See guys, here we have a quadratic, square root of that. Square root, oh my god, it makes like hectic thing. Okay, for that you square it on both sides. Do not take this as f of x, okay, or square it on both sides and then take f of x, okay. Let us take given this particular one as some y. Now square it on both sides. Why did we square? Because if it is either minima or maxima at that particular point, we get the same when we square it also or we cube it also, anything. Okay. Now y square is equals to x square of 1 minus x square. Let us take this as my f of x. Okay. Chalo. Now what is f dash x, friends? What is f dash x? X square. This comes like this is something like x square into 1 minus x power 4. So 2x minus 4x cube. Find, equate f dash x to 0. If you equate f dash x to 0, 2x is equals to 4x cube. Anyhow they said x not equals to 0, x greater than 0. So 2 1s are 2 2s are, x and x square gets cancelled. Therefore x square is equals to 1 by 2. You get x is equals to plus or minus 1 by root 2. Now you have to check the sign of f double dash x. You have to check the we'll see Karthik, local maxima, na? We'll see friend, we'll see my dear. Now you see friend, if you see at x is equals to 1 by root 2 and minus 1 by root 2, find f double dash x. What is f double dash x? For 2x it is 2 minus 4x cube, 4 2s are 12x square. 12x square. For x is equals to 1 by root 2 and x is equals to minus 1 by root 2, f double dash x is going to get the same. Oh my god, arey yaar. Suppose see guys, see. Oh, there is nothing actually, there is nothing. Oh my, actually we shouldn't take x is equals to minus 1 by root 2. You know why? Because x is greater than 0. So x won't be minus 1 by root 2. Local maxima, sorry. Superman, super, that's it. Now 2 minus 12 times 1 by root 2 whole square is 1 by 2. 2 1s are 2 6s are. So 2 minus 6 is equals to minus 4. F double dash x is equals to minus 4, which is less than 0. So if f double dash x is less than 0, then we get local maxima. Local maxima. We get it easy only when we square it and do it. Imagine if you are not squaring it, boss. Imagine if you are taking this as f of x. It makes so lengthy to check the sign of f double dash x. So whenever you come, yes, very good friend, only one local maxima. Yes, that's it, only one local maxima, a local maxima. Whenever you come across square root functions, my dear friends, to make it easier, square it and do it, keep this in mind, okay? That's it. Next question, if two sides of a triangle be given, then the area of the triangle will be maximum. Again, a question which can be solved by using some common sense. Friends. See, if there are two triangles given, the area will be maximum only when the angle between the two sides is. When will be, for which angle the area will be maximum? For which angle the area will be maximum? For which angle the area will be maximum? Angle B, pi by 4. Okay, before we do it, guys, do you remember one thing? Suppose there are three sides, A, B, C. Imagine that you know AB and BC, and theta is the angle between, you know AB is known, AC is known, you know theta is the angle between, very good friend, very good, but we'll see. Hi, what is the area of this triangle? What is the area of triangle formula? If two sides known and angle known in between them, what is the formula to calculate area of triangle if two sides are known, if two sides and the angle between the two known sides are known? What is the formula to calculate area of a triangle if two sides and included angle is known? If two sides and included angle is known. From grade 10 we are discussing, grade 10. Half AB sin theta, very good Vaishnavi, very good. Half AB sin theta, half into AB into sin theta. That's how we evaluated like area of sector problems in area of segment and sector problems from grade 10. Half r square sin theta, half r square sin theta. From where we used to get area of a triangle if two sides are known. And apart from that, my dear integrated students, in properties of triangles, sine rule, we discussed this. Area of triangle formula, Heron's formula, half AB sin theta, delta is equals to 4ABC by 2R, everything man. Okay, no issues. So if two sides are known, that is half into, suppose what are the two sides known? Half into AB into AC into sin theta. Now for which theta it is maximum? The maximum value, maximum area will be when sin theta is maximum. When will be sin theta is maximum? When will be sin theta is maximum? Direct man. Thank you for making math so much simpler to understand. Your teaching style really helps clarify complex concepts, sir. Thank you, Nagaraju. Thank you friend. Thank you. Thank you man, love you. Super. So sin theta is going to be maximum only when theta is equals to 90 degree. Sin theta is going to be maximum only when theta is equals to 90 degree. That's it. That means option D, yes. Very good Nagaraju, very good Hanna, very good Vaishnavi, very good Rohit. That's it. See, so simple boss, so simple. We'll go with next question. Man. We'll go. Very good Ashmita friend, very good. Ashmita, you answer it, by the way, first itself, very good. The function x power 5 minus so and so is having. Process is so simple. What has to be the process, guys? What has to be the process? Considering f of x as that x power 5 minus 5x power 4 plus 5x cube minus 1. Find f dash x. 5 into x power 4 minus 20 into x cube plus 5 3s are 15x square. That's it. Now for maximum or minima, we equate f dash x to 0. But before we do, we factorize. What can be taken common? 5x square can be taken common. Then you get x square minus 4x plus 3. This can be factorized as 5x square. X square minus 4x can be written as x minus 1 into x minus 3. So if you equate it to 0, guys, what are the critical points that you got? What are the critical points that you got? One is x is equals to 0, 1 and 3. 3 critical points you got. Now you have to, by using second derivative test, okay? A maximum at 3, minimum at x equals to 1. Now we'll see, Hanna, we'll see. Hanna, we'll see. So find first, before that, first find f double dash x. What is f double dash x, boss? Find it from here. 5 4s are 20x cube minus 23s are 60x square plus 15 2s are 30x. What can be taken common? What can be taken common? 10 can be taken common. 10x, sorry. 10x if you take common, then 2x square. Yes. Minus 6x plus 3. 2x square minus 6x plus 3. Okay guys, done. Now if you see friends, if you see If you see first one, x is equals to 0. Let's see. What is f double dash x at x is equals to 0? It's clearly 0. So f double dash 0 is 0. If second derivative at a point is 0, what do you say about it? It is point of inflection. It is point of inflection. Already in the morning session we discussed, friends. Already in the morning session we discussed. If second derivative is 0, then it is point of inflection. Then it is point of inflection. So it is neither maxima nor minima. It is point of inflection. Next, we'll check for x is equals to 1. What is f double dash 1? F double dash 1, if you see, 10 into 1, 10 into 2 plus 3, 5, 5 minus 6. F double dash 1 is less than 0. F double dash 1 is less than 0 means we get maximum at x is equals to 1. Maximum, you are wrong, Hanna. You are wrong, Hanna. Maximum at x is equals to 1. 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 minus 6. Yes, it is f double dash 1 is less than 0. So how can A be the answer? Okay. No friend, no, check. So our we get maximum at x is equals to 1. Next, what about x is equals to 3? F double dash 3. 10 into 3, 30. 2 into x square. 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3. Okay, see. 10 into x. 10 into 3, 30 times 2 into x square. 3 square is 9. 9 2s are 18 minus 6 3s are 18 plus 3. Oh, clearly we are getting positive. That means we get minimum at. So minimum at x is equals to 3. X is equals to 3 is the point of minima. X is equals to 3 is the point of minima and maxima. Yes, exactly. Yes, very good, Ashmita. Option C will be the correct answer. Very good, Ashmita. Very good. Polo Maldini. Maldini. Hi, friend. Hi. I'm saying like I guess it's your first session. I guess. Very good, Ashmita. Yes, it's option C. Good, Vaishnavi. Good, Ruben sir. My bad. C is the answer. My bad. Yes, not only him. So yes, so do not get mistaken in such questions. If a question asked from AOD, guys, that means they are asking us to, NTA is giving you some marks to put it in pocket directly. Okay. Question. Yes, it's Khatarnak question, sir. Khatarnak question. Next, we will go with 25, sir. So simple again. See, I'll tell you some things. If sum of the squares of two numbers is minimum only when numbers are equal, x is equals to y. Next, a rectangle, area of rectangle will be maximum. Area of rectangle will be maximum only if the rectangle is square. Area of rectangle is going to be maximum only if the rectangle is going to be square. Next, area of the triangle is going to be maximum when the sides are given if it is equilateral triangle. For all regular polygons we get maximum area, man. For all regular triangles we get maximum area. Okay, regular polygons, for all regular polygons. So the adjacent sides of a rectangle with a given perimeter as 100, nothing, man, no need to do it also. Even if you do it, we are going to get the same, but just if it is square, then we get maximum. Very good, Nagaraj, very good. That's it. If it is area of rectangle will be maximum if it is a square. Area of rectangle is going to be maximum if it is square. Okay, maximum area of rectangle is possible only when the sides of rectangle are equal. If the sides of a rectangle are equal, then it is going to be a square. That's it. No. Option C, 25 and 25. If you wish to do, see, okay, look here. Let the length length be L and breadth be Y. So 2 times of L plus B is equals to 100. Yeah. So L plus B is equals to 50. Now we can write B is equals to 50 minus L. Chalo. Now what is area? Area function. Area is equals to length into breadth. length into what is breadth? 50 minus L. Chalo, 50L minus L square. This is a function in L. Okay. Now find f dash L. What will be f dash L? 50 minus 2L. Get critical point. So 50 minus 2L is equals to 0, which implies L is equals to 25. That's it. If L is 25, B will also be 25. So area, friends, area of a rectangle is going to be maximum if the rectangle is going to be a square. That's it. Very good, KK. Very good, friend. Very good Vaishnavi. 25 centimeters is the answer. Very good, Polo. Fine, Ashmita. Good Vaishnavi. That's it. Good, Ruben. Good, Hannah. That's it. Next question, guys. Guys, you have to tell me this. I'm not going to, because this is a conceptual one. The necessary condition to be maximum or minimum for the function is maximum or minimum. Maximum or minimum. Maximum or minimum. The necessary conditions for a function to be maximum or minimum. Maximum or minimum. The necessary condition, option C. I'll wait for some time before I declare. Maximum, Ashmita, Karthik, Shiny, Hanna. Necessary condition to be maximum or minimum. Guys, imagine that if it is only maximum, then option D could have been the correct answer. F dash x 0 and f double dash x negative. But you can't say it for minimum. Okay. So definitely we can't, option D can be cancelled. Correct. Now f dash x equals to 0 and it is sufficient. Is it? Is f dash x is equals to 0? Always do we get point of maximum or minima? For all the first derivative to be 0, already I have shown, even for point of inflection we get f dash x is equals to 0. That's it. So option D is wrong. Option D is wrong. Even A is also wrong. Now coming to B, f double dash x is equals to 0 and it is sufficient. Guys, as we discussed friends in the morning itself, if f double dash x is equals to 0, it is point of inflection, which is neither a point of minima or nor a point of maxima. So even this is also fail, and absolutely the correct answer is going to be f dash x is equals to 0, but this is not sufficient condition. First, to be point of maxima or minima, its first derivative to be 0. See, the converse is not true. If first derivative is 0, then it is going to be point of maxima or minima. Wrong. If it is point of maxima or minima, for that its first derivative at that particular point will be 0. Do understand my statement, guys. If f dash x is equals to 0, you can't say that it is either minima or maxima. But for a minimum point or maximum point, f dash x will be 0. I hope this statement is clear for everyone. I hope this statement is anyhow the same I have discussed in the session also, in today's session. Yeah, different points we have discussed, the stationary points, critical points, the difference between them. Okay guys, okay. Here option C is going to be the correct answer. Next, 27. The area of a rectangle will be maximum for the given perimeter when the rectangle is very good, Vaishnavi. Very good, Hanna. Guys, that's it, Ashmita, that's it. A rectangle area is going to be maximum if it is square. That means equal sides. Fine, Ruben, fine, ma, fine. Let's not take much time with this. Guys, done? Again, even this particular, Mr. Ruben, sir, everyone, very good, Vaishnavi. Same again. I'm just going to bend my head for you. What will be the area of this, of the given perimeter? Just now only I have discussed. Only regular polygons, regular polygons. Here also see, equilateral. Equilateral triangle only will be getting maximum area of the given perimeter. The triangle having maximum area is equilateral triangle only. Perimeter is constant. See, for the given perimeter, equilateral triangle takes maximum. I hope you see. I'll tell you one simple thing. Wait. Generally 3, 4, 5 is a Pythagorean triplet, correct? 3, 4, 5 is a Pythagorean triplet. They have given that perimeters 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus perimeter of a triangle is 12. Then its possibility is 3, 4, 5. What is the area of this? Half into 3 into 4. That's it. 6 square centimeters or 6 square units. Now with the given perimeter, if I form an equilateral triangle, 12 divided by 3, each side will be 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. What is the area of this equilateral triangle? Root 3 by 4 into a square, 4 square. So we get 4 root 3. There it is 6, here it is 4 root 3. 4 into root 3 value is something like 1.732. This is clearly greater than that 6. I hope you understood, friends. I hope you understood. With the given perimeter, friends, with the given perimeter, if the perimeter is given, that means some of the sides should be fixed. In that case, area of triangle is going to be maximum when the triangle is equilateral. Very good, Vaishnavi. Friends, Ashmita, Ruben, Hanna, Rohit, where is Abu? Abu man. Where is that fellow? Abu man. Fahad Ali Khan, where are you, sir? Friends, I hope it is making sense. Easy only, na? Easier. Okay, guys, moving to the next one. The sufficient conditions for the function to be maximum. Just conceptual. He left when your class started. Just hiding from you, sir. Kuch nahi, no issues. Okay, friend. The sufficient condition for the function to be maximum. Just a theoretical, boss. The sufficient conditions for the function to be maximum at x is equals to a will be, anyhow f dash a will be 0 and second derivative should be less than 0. Second derivative should be less than 0 and f dash a should be equals to 0. So what will be our answer, guys? What will be our answer? Option C. That's it. Very good, Ashmita. Very good, Karthik. That's it. Option C. First derivative should be 0, second derivative should be less than 0. I already said why second derivative will be 0. Second derivative denotes the change in m with respect to change in x. The change in m with respect to change in x. That is what our second derivative of d square y by dx square denotes. Last question for today's session. 36 factorize into 2 factors in such a way that the sum of the factors is minimum. Then the factors are factorize 36 into 2 factors, okay, such that the sum of the factors is minimum, it seems. Then what can be the factors? Can anyone? Sum of the factors is going to be who is this? Ramakant. Option C. Vaishnavi. Who is this? D. Shiny Sabu said D. Vaishnavi vs D. D. The farthest apart, sir. Doubt. Muso Dimple. Yes, ask doubt here. No issues, friends. Okay, I'll tell you. See, guys, 36 we are factorizing into x into y, okay? So from here we can get y is equals to 36 by x. Now what they said, sum of the factors is minimum. That means sum of the factors means x plus y, which is equals to x plus 36 by x. Let us take this as some f of x, okay? Now f of x is equals to x plus 36 by x. Chalo, factorize f dash x is equals to 1 minus 36 by x square, okay? Equate it to 0. So 1 minus 36 by x square is equals to 0. Therefore, x square is equals to 36, x is equals to plus or minus 6. That means only positive value we take. If x is equals to 6, y is also equals to 6. Sum of the factors is going to be minimum Sum of the factors is going to be minimum if the factors are equal. If the factors are equal. That's it. That too, it is a perfect square. मैं क्लास 10 एग्ज़ाम हो चुके कैसे करते मैं फर्स्ट टाइम आपके क्लास में कैन हुआ हूँ सो डिम्पल सर yeah Muso Dimple, just do contact our brilliant Qatar. From there, like you can ask me like, can I talk to Mr. Karthik sir? Then I'll guide you, friend. I'll guide you. You can get our contact details in our website www.brilliantqatar.com. You can get I'll give you complete guidance. Just officially do contact our brilliant Qatar. If you ask like I wish to talk to Mr. Karthik sir, maths faculty, then I'll be getting in touch with you. Okay. Yes sir, got it. See guys, see, so that is option D, which is none of this. Option C, which is option D, which is none of this. I'll take one more question. Suppose instead of 36, if they give you 24, what do you do guys? Instead of 36, if they give you 24 factorize into 2 factors in such a way that the sum of the factors is minimum, then the factors are, can anyone? Muso Dimple, see, from Brilliant Qatar website, everywhere you get, everywhere, 50056123 I guess. Yeah, I guess 50056123 I guess. From there, like one of our team will be answering your call. From there, if you can ask them, can I speak to Mr. Karthik sir, maths faculty, then you will get, they'll give you my contact number. Okay. So, if instead of 36, if they give you 24, what will be the correct answer? 6, 4. Bolo. Instead of, same process. See, in previous case we got equal. That doesn't mean that only for perfect squares we get equal factors, boss. Only for perfect squares. But if the given number is not perfect square, we won't get equal numbers. Okay. Now see, 5 is the no Mauli, no. See, 24 can be written as same like x into y, where y is equals to x by 24. Okay. We'll do this. See, we'll do this. Now f of x will be equals to x plus x by 24. That becomes f dash x will be 1 minus 24 by x. I'm sorry. X plus 24 by x. X plus 24 by x. So 1 minus 24 divided by x square. Now equate x square is equals to 24. Do we get any numbers? X square is, do we get any factors, man, such that x square is equals to 24? Do we get any x for x square is equal, because x is equals to square root of 24. So we won't get minimum for this. We won't get, sir, क्या मैं class attend कर सकता हूँ? Okay. X is equals to y is 2 root 6. But friend, factor means it should be clearly natural numbers. Natural numbers, only natural numbers can be taken as factors. I hope you understood. Karthik, 6, 4. Yeah, obviously. Like, so for this, how can we do it, sir? How can we do it? By just our normal for the normal cases, what do we do? Check the factors. For 24 can be done as 1 into 24, 2 into 12, 3 into 8, 3 into 8, 4 into 6. So of those, the least one will be like 4 into 6. Some will be minimum only if x is equals to 4 or y equals to 6 or vice versa. Always be like this saying. Ashmin, no issues. See, okay, but they never ask you for non-perfect squares. They will be asking you only for perfect squares. That's it. I hope you understood, guys. Okay, I hope you understood. Clear? So with that, we are done with our complete maths for today. In today's session, we had gone with applications of derivatives, friends. Applications of derivatives. I have already shared the complete notes and the solutions of the problem that we have discussed in today's session in all the groups. Okay. Kindly go through each and every conceptual part. To make to strengthen yourself in conceptual. Next, one more thing. See you on the Saturday, sir. Sure. Friday. Oh, tomorrow Friday. Acha. Next, one more thing, friends. My dear crash course students, we have already started writing complete full test. Okay, I have already sent a clear message in the group. Kindly make sure that by the end of the day, make sure each and every question which is asked in the exam has to be like, you should know the solution of each and every question. That's it. That should make your day. Clear? So I hope everyone understood today's session, my dear friends. We'll see you tomorrow. Till then, take care everyone. Bye. God bless you everyone. Bye.